Mindfulness is like a bird with two wings. The first wing is all about self-awareness. We bring our conscious awareness to this particular moment in time. We notice where we are, and we notice what we're doing, what we're thinking, and what we're feeling. We're fully engaged, noticing as much as we can about this present moment, and it's often called being in the now. Sweet dog. The second wing of the mindfulness bird is all about our attitude. As we observe our thoughts and feelings, we bring to ourselves an attitude of kindliness, curiosity, and self-love. There is no judgment or criticism in mindfulness. We observe our actions, thoughts, feelings, and emotions with an attitude of kindliness, curiosity, generosity, maybe even playfulness. But there's no criticism or judgment in mindfulness. It's all about self-acceptance, self-awareness, and self-love. Mindfulness is a form of disciplined self-observation. Mindfulness gives us an opportunity not only to get to know ourselves better, but also to take command over our life and our thoughts. Mindfulness opens our heart and gives us an opportunity to accept whatever we observe, whatever we discover. Everyone can practice mindfulness, and the results, the benefits are massive. And remember, all is well. At this time, in this moment, all is well. You see the swans?